So before I get to the actual point of the video, I haven't acknowledged this yet. Tickets to My Downfall poster in the background. I personally like it better than the poster that was there before, and it's cool and it's great. Okay, on to the actual content now. Y'all, we got a package. So, quick story time about this. There was this person on Facebook. I'm in a lot of like stationery related Facebook groups, and she posts, hey, does anybody want to try out this subscription? It's completely free your first time, and I just want to it's like a test round kind of thing. Obviously I wasn't gonna give my address to this person without my parents' permission, so I'm like, I'll have to ask my parents, but like it's fine, whatever, sure. And it kind of seemed a little sketchy, but my parents said yes, and I gave them my address. So thank you to Paige on Facebook for one, being a real person, and two, offering me this opportunity. This is probably the closest I will ever get to a sponsored video. Let me just pull up, I want to pull up their website so I can promote it, because that's basically what I'm here for. I'll put their website on the screen, go check them out. I'm trying to like make sure my address isn't in sight, but let's get to the unboxing and see what we have here. So it is the Stationery Box by DesertFlowrzDesign. It's a box. I need scissors. I'll use this. Did that work? Hello? There we go! I'm very excited about this. She's open. Well, she's not open yet. There we go. Let's see what's inside. So to start off, we got a couple cute stamps. And we got some stickers. Oh, I'm excited about these. These are cute. I'm gonna open up the stickers and try to show off each one. There we go. Okay, so we got this little astronaut, little Earth, looks like. Oh my god, is it? I think it's focused. We got a galaxy unicorn. Looks like a landscape kind of design. A like volleyball kind of thing. Very similar like with the color scheme kind of thing. And then there's this. So yeah, those are the stickers. Moving on, what else do we have in here? We got some goodies. We have a notepad, which is great because I've been using this like mini notebook as like my kind of like scratch pad. Like if I have to do a problem for math and I don't have a scrap piece of paper out, I'll just open it, quickly scribble. But as you can see, like it used to be like this thick and I'm running out of pages. So that's great because I have a new one. And it looks like we got a matching pen to go with it. I don't know if it'll focus. Can never have too many pens, am I right? What is this? I think these are cards. I think these are cards. I'm not much of a letter writer. Is that the correct term? But I might have to be because these are really pretty. Yeah, it's a card, blank inside, and the outside says it's the journey, not the destination, which I think is like the theme of this stationery box thing. Maybe I'll make art with these. I know like right now like the Happy Planner is doing like this like sticker week thing, and I did just like a art on a normal piece of paper today. Maybe I will make art with these. I don't know, but they're cards. This one matches the sticker. One of the stickers. What does this one say? With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. That's what that one says. I don't know if it's focused, but I'm trying here. Got some more little goodies in here. Looks like a desk calendar. And a pencil. So these are great. I really like these, and I will definitely be using these in my planner. And I think that is it. Yeah, that was a very short video, but I just wanted to do this quick review. I would definitely recommend this. So that's all. I'll show you guys everything again quickly. We got stamps, we got stickers, cards, and a notepad with a matching pen with some other little goodies. So I think if you like stationery but you just like kind of don't know what to buy, or like you're like, you know, I would definitely recommend this subscription. So again, I'll put their website on the screen. I'm sorry this video was a little short, but it was also a bonus video for this week because I got the opportunity to do this. Thank you again, Paige, for letting me do this. Thank you so much for watching, and I never know how to end these things.